Good morning. This is Randy Paone on KRES Radio, the voice of the Coeur d'Alene Indian Reservation, and it's time for the morning traffic report on this rainy bicentennial 4th of July. Let's go out to Lester Falls Apart in the KRES traffic van, broken down at the crossroads. A big truck just went by. Now it's gone. Well, there you go, folks. Looks like just another busy morning. And I just got a news bulletin that says Maddie and John Builds the Fire are hosting a 4th of July party at their house. And remember, it's BYOF. Bring your own fireworks. On July 4, 1976, my mother and father celebrated white people's independence by hosting the largest house party in Coeur d'Alene tribal history. I mean, every Indian in the world was there. And then, at 3 in the morning, when everyone had passed out on couches, chairs, the floor, a fire rose up like General George Armstrong Custer and swallowed up my mother and father. I don't remember that fire. I only have the stories. And in every one of those stories, I could fly. Eileen, your son's name is Victor, ain't it? Yes, it is. It's a good name. It means he's gonna win. I don't know. I was just a baby when Arnold Joseph saved me from that fire and delivered me into the hands of my grandmother. And Victor Joseph was just a baby too when his father saved me from that fire. You saved my grandson's life! Well, it was nothing. I didn't even think about it. You saved Thomas! You did a good thing! I didn't mean to. You know, there are some children who aren't really children at all. They're just pillar of fire that burn everything they touch. And there are some children who are just pillars of ash that fall apart if you touch them. Me and Victor, we were children born of flame and ash. Oh, I don't know, what do you think? Oh, I think it sounds great. Yeah, I don't know. Hey, BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show. We're just doing a a table read. We're thinking about making a movie this summer, and one of the ideas we had was to remake Smoke Signals. So I don't know. So what do you think? Here are the ideas. Should I tell them what the ideas are? Yeah. We're either gonna make a movie or we're gonna shoot like a pilot for like a real children's show. And if we shoot a movie, we're gonna have to raise some money. So I might put out like a a Kickstarter. So if you'd like to see a movie, make a comment. If you want us to reshoot Smoke Signals, we could do that. I think, I don't know. We're gonna have to buy like a real camera and that. Or we might shoot like a children's show and make a pilot episode, like a half-hour show or something, and see if we can't get it on Netflix. Yeah? I don't know. So anyway, yeah. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. All right. Well, hey. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Let us know what you'd like to see. And yeah, I will see you again. Kiga min. Benawa. Oh, wa. I don't know. All right, but you know this I think this is promising. You guys are really good actors. And let us know what you think. Do you wanna see the movie or what? I don't know who's gonna play Victor. Maybe we could make it like Thomas and Victoria. You wanna be a female Victor?
Oh, I don't know. That sounds kind of weird.
What? That's the way it's done in Hollywood now. All these new movies, they've got like female actors. You know, they got Terminator with ladies, Lady Terminator, and you know the bad Ghostbusters. All right, they get in trouble. All right, Giga Wabamin, Minowa. Oh, wa. All right, take 3.
Okay, yeah, this works.